Hello everyone. Welcome to Creative Life. Want to become a master at blockchain development? You are at right place. Becoming a master in blockchain development requires a strong foundation in programming concepts, data structures, and algorithms, as well as a deep understanding of how blockchain technology works. Here are some steps you can take to master blockchain development. Learn the fundamentals of blockchain. Start by understanding the basics of blockchain technology, its history, how it works, and its core concepts such as consensus mechanisms, cryptographic algorithms, and distributed ledgers. Choose a blockchain platform. Select a blockchain platform that you are interested in and start exploring its documentation and resources. Some of the popular platforms include Ethereum, Hyperledger, and Corda. Learn programming languages. Depending on the platform you choose, you may need to learn programming languages such as Solidity, Go, or Java. Learn the syntax and conventions of the language and practice coding with them. Join blockchain communities. Participate in online blockchain communities to connect with other developers, learn from their experiences, and stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in blockchain technology. Build projects. Develop practical applications using blockchain technology to reinforce your learning and gain hands-on experience. Start with small projects and gradually move to more complex ones. Read research papers. Read research papers and publications related to blockchain technology to deepen your understanding and stay informed about the latest developments in the field. Attend conferences and events. Attend blockchain conferences and events to network with experts and gain insights into the latest trends and use cases for blockchain technology. Stay up to date. Keep learning and stay up to date with the latest advancements in blockchain technology by reading blogs, subscribing to newsletters, and attending webinars. Thank you. You may have liked it. For more such videos, subscribe to Creative Life.